Hey everyone, so today we're going to dive into a guide that's all about taking AI from, a generic tool and turning it into something that is truly personal. We're going to be looking at a tool called Alice AI, and more importantly, how to unlock its real power. So think for a second about the AI you're using right now. Is it just a clever but kind of generic tool? I mean, does it actually know you? Does it understand the context of your work, your business? Yeah, probably not, right? There's a disconnect. And that's the exact gap this guide is designed to close. You see, the end goal here is something they call an executive life coach agent, or an ELC. Now, don't think of this as just another tool you use. Think of it as a true co-pilot that's been custom built for you. It gets to know your business, your big picture goals, and even the little things like how you like to communicate. This, this is the real game changer. Okay, so our path to getting that co-pilot, it all starts with a mission. And I'm choosing that word mission on purpose because this is so much more than just another boring sign-up process. It's really the foundational step to building an AI that is tailored specifically to you. And here's the absolute key thing you have to remember. Your goal right now is not to jump in and start playing with all the features. I know it's tempting. But the single number one objective is to unlock the potential for personalization. So let's just resist that urge to explore for a little bit and stay focused on the mission. And that mission, it's got three super simple parts. First, we're going to sign up for an account. Second, we'll activate a totally free 2-month trial. And third, and listen, this is the most important part, we are going to book the onboarding session. That's it. Simple, clear, and totally achievable. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the practical steps. We're going to walk through the sign-up process right now and get you on the direct path to activation. Okay, first things first, just head on over to app.goalies.ai. You'll see a register or sign-up link somewhere on the page. Go ahead and give that a click. Then just pop in your email and create a good, secure password. And just like that, step 1 is done. See? Easy. Now, a pop-up is going to appear for something called the Pioneer Program. You're going to see a price tag, but don't worry about that for a second. Go ahead and click subscribe and then enter your details, including your credit card info. But, and this is really key, I promise you will not be charged anything yet. We're about to take care of that right now. Here it is. This is the magic key. In the promo code field, you're going to type in ALICE02. That's ALICE02. This code is going to completely zero out the payment for a full 2 months. I'm telling you, this is the most critical part of this whole subscription step, so make sure you apply it. And boom, just like that, you've unlocked some serious perks. You now have 2 whole months completely free to put Alice to the test. This also includes 5 user accounts, so you can bring your team in too. And, of course, you can cancel at any time. There's literally no risk, all reward. Okay, deep breath. You've signed up, you've activated your free trial. Now we have arrived at what is, without a doubt, the single most important step in this entire process: booking your onboarding session. Whatever you do, do not skip this part. I mean, the source material just puts it perfectly with this quote. Onboarding is what unlocks the real value. Just think about that for a sec. Before this session, Alice is a really powerful tool, for sure. But it's not your Alice yet. This session is the bridge. It's what makes it truly yours. And this slide just illustrates the difference perfectly. Look, pre-onboarding, you've got access to these amazing pro-level AI models, but they're generic. They have no idea about your context. But post-onboarding, that tool literally transforms into a hyper-personalized co-pilot that is tuned specifically to your business and your goals. It's a night and day difference. So what actually happens in this magical session? Well, you'll get a personal walkthrough on how to get a really fast return on your time investment. You'll actually start building your ELC agent right then and there. And you can get your other 14 members set up as well. So please don't wait on this. Here is the direct link to book that session. Seriously, go ahead and pause this explainer, open up a new tab, and get your time locked in. This is your gateway to that whole personalized experience we've been talking about. Okay, so now that you've hopefully booked your session, let's do the fun part. Let's look to the future and get a little glimpse of what you've just unlocked. What does it actually feel like to have this AI co-pilot working alongside you every day? Well, your ELC agent starts to develop this really deep understanding across 4 key areas. It learns about you, your quirks, your communication style. It learns your business,
all of its unique context and data, it understands your goals, what you're actually trying to achieve, and it even learns your execution style, basically how you get things done.
Now, you can also connect your other tools, things like your email, calendar, and files, but I want you to notice the huge emphasis on safety here. All of these connections start as read-only. And that's not a limitation, it's a deliberate choice. It's all about building trust and ensuring your security before you ever let the AI take any action on your behalf. It's safety first. And this is where the magic happens. Once those connections are enabled, your new reality looks something like this. Your agent can read, summarize, and triage your entire inbox, flagging what's actually urgent. It can draft responses for you in your style, ready for you to approve. And it can pull context from all your files and your calendar to give you way more accurate and relevant answers. This is the turning point. So, I'll just leave you with this one final thought. You've seen the path, right? You've seen how to go from a powerful but generic tool to a truly personalized AI copilot that actually works for you. So the only question left is, are you ready to make that upgrade?